Good morning, children. Today in this class I am going to explain the examples based on angle sum property of triangle. In the previous class we have discussed the proof of angle sum property and we have explained an example. In this class I am going to explain about the examples of angle sum property. Okay. On page number 97, the example 2 is the given problem is in triangle ABC, if angle A equals to angle 3B, then if angle C equals to angle 2 angle B, then find all the three angles in a triangle. Okay, now let us draw the triangle ABC. We have to draw the triangle ABC. In this triangle, there are three vertices which are A, B, C. Here they have given angle A is 3 angle B, and they have given angle C equals to 2 angle B, and B is equal to B. Okay, now given angle A equals to 3 angle B and then angle C equals to 2 angle B. Okay. Now take the angle sum property of triangle. Angle sum property of triangle. Angle sum property. According to angle sum property of a triangle, all the sum of the angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to 180 degrees. Then in the place of A we have to substitute. They had given in the angle A equals to 3 angle B. In the place of B we have to write B only. In the place of C we have to write 2 angle B equals to 180 degrees. Suppose if you see all the angles in terms of B, so we have to add all the angles. 3 angle B plus 2 angle B, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 2 6 angle B equals to 180 degrees. Then angle B equals to 180 degrees divided by 6. It means 6 ones 6 30 degrees. It means angle B equals to 30 degrees. Here the angle B is 30 degrees. Angle B equals to 30 degrees. Then from the angle B we can write angle A and angle C. They have given angle A equals to 3 into angle B. It means 3 into 30 degrees equals to 90 degrees. Here angle A equals to 90 degrees. Then C equals to 2 angle B. It means 2 into 30 degrees 60 degrees. Okay, in this way we can solve the problem. Okay, once again I am saying, in the triangle ABC, if angle A equals to 3 angle B, in angle C equals to 2 angle B, find all the three sides of a triangle. Okay, now they had given angle A equals to 3 angle B, angle C equals to 2 angle B. Okay, take angle sum property of the triangle. According to angle sum property, all the angles, sum of all the angles in a triangle equals to 180 degrees. Now we have to substitute the angle A and angle C in terms of B, and we have to add the B value. Then we will get B angle, and after that, after the substituting B values in terms of A and C, then we will get the angle A and angle C. Okay, now let us see the third example. Example 3. triangle ABC, right angle is at C. Right angle is at C, and CD is perpendicular to AB. Then A equals to 55 degrees, angle A equals to 55 degrees, and find the first bit is angle ACD, the second one is angle BCD, the third one is angle ABC. Okay, now they had given a triangle. Triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, the right angle is at C. Right angle is at C, and CD is perpendicular to AB. CD perpendicular here. Perpendicular means CD is the line segment which is making 90 degrees with the line segment AB. Here it is the line segment they had given. It is exactly perpendicular to the line segment AB. Okay, this is the triangle they had given. Here A equals to 55 degrees. Here C is making 90 degrees. Okay. Now let us find out the angle of ACD. The first one is angle ACD. Here they have taken the triangle angle ACD. Suppose if you see these angles, it is making a triangle ACD. By observing triangle ACD, we can know the angle C. From first bit, from triangle ACD, we can write the angle of C, that is here D is having 90 degrees. So it is one of the triangle in this bigger triangle. Triangle ACD is the triangle, and it is having three angles. One of the angle is 55 degrees and other angle is 90 degrees. Then we can calculate the angle C. Okay, now take the angle sum property. Angle sum property for triangle ACD. Okay, here three angles are there: angle A, angle D, and angle C. Okay, here angle A is 55 degrees. Angle A is 55 degrees, and angle D is 90 degrees, and angle C is, we have to calculate the C value. Okay, 55 plus 90, it means 145, plus angle C equals to 180 degrees. Then angle C equals to 180 degrees minus 145 degrees. It means it is showing 35 degrees. Here angle C equal to 35 degrees. Okay. Then from angle C we can write angle ACD equals to angle C equals to 35 degrees. This is the solution for first bit in this problem. Okay. First of all, we have to see the two triangles in the given triangle. Here ACD is the one of the triangle. A is having the angle 55 degrees and D is having 90 degrees. Then we can find the C angle with the angle sum property. If you apply angle sum property in triangle on triangle ACD, okay, the sum of all the three sides equals to 180 degrees. Here they have given angle A and the angle B. After substituting all these, we can get the angle ACD is 35 degrees. Okay, now let us see the second bit in this problem, angle BCD. Here we had got the ACD, angle ACD is 35 degrees. Now, the solution for second bit in this problem, angle BCD. Here, suppose if you see angle BCD, this angle we have to find. The angle at C between B and D we have to find. Okay. Here in triangle ABC, the second bit, in triangle ABC, the C is having two angles, that is, suppose if you see the two triangles in the given triangle, that are, it can be written as angle ACD plus and angle BCD equals to, here the entire angle of C is 90 degrees. Okay, we have written the angle C in terms of BCD and in terms of ACD. So the angle is 90 degrees. Okay, in triangle ABC, the angle C is making 90 degrees. So angle ACD plus angle BCD equals to 90 degrees. Okay, in the previous problem we had find the angle ACD value. Angle ACD equals to 35 degrees, then angle BCD equals to 90 degrees. Angle BCD equals to 90 degrees minus 35 degrees. Then angle BCD equals to 55 degrees. Here it is representing the angle at BCD. It is 55 degrees and this is 35 degrees. Okay. In this way, we can calculate the angle BCD. Now let us see the angle ABC. The angle at B we have to find out for the third bit. For the third bit, we have to find the angle at B. The angle at B we have to find. Here in the triangle ABC, there are three angles, that are angle ABC and angle BCA and angle ACB. Okay. Now, from triangle ABC, we can calculate the angle at B. Okay. Now let us see. From triangle ABC, we can calculate the angle at B. Okay. From that, we can write angle ACB plus angle CAB plus and angle ABC equals to 180 degrees. From triangle ABC, we can write the angles like this: angle ACB, angle ACB, one angle, it is showing the angle at C, and angle CAB, it is showing the angle at the A, and angle ABC, it is showing ABC, it is showing the angle at B. Okay, all the sum of three angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. Then the angle at C is 90 degrees in the triangle ABC. In the triangle ABC, the angle at C is 90 degrees. Okay, the angle at A is 55 degrees plus the angle at ABC we have to find out equals to 180 degrees. Okay, 90 plus 45, 145 plus triangle ABC equals to 180 degrees. Then angle ABC equals to 180 degrees minus 145. It means angle ABC equals to 35 degrees. Okay, once again, in triangle ABC, if you write the angles like this, we can get the angle ABC. Okay, here it is representing angle at B. Okay, like if you write like this, then we will get angle B. Okay, or angle ABC. Okay, in the next class we will see the exercise problems. Thank you, children.